welcome back sa aking tahanan ng mga matatalino. Of course, I am just joking. Our math tutorial for today is just a very simple math problem which was given during the year 2011 Civil Engineering Board exam. A farmer owns 2 square lots of an equal size together containing 6568 meters squared. If the lots were contiguous, it would require 356 meters of fence to enclose them in a single enclosure of 6 sides. Find the dimension of the smallest lot. Now, ano naman tong contiguous? Contiguous means sharing the same border. The 2 lots are sharing the same border. So, to solve this one, of course, you have to make the rough sketch first. For example, what is given here? The total area of the 2, which is equal to, for example, the area of the big plus the area of the small equals 6568 meter squared or square meter, and it would require 356 meter of fence. That means the perimeter of the fence is equal to 356 meter. Now, of course, what is required is the dimension of the smallest lot. Now, if we will let, for example, because what is required here is the dimension of the smallest, so if you will make a rough sketch of the 2 lots, if this is the big lots, for example, the big square lots, and because they are contiguous, so we'll see, for example, this is the second lot, and this is smaller. So now, for example, we will designate this one. The side of the big lot, we'll see B. And of course, because they are square lot, so this is also B. Now here, we will designate the side as, for example, small. So they are the same, small and small. So now, to solve this one, we have this, the area of the big one plus the area of the small one is equal to 6568 meters squared. This is the area of the total. Now, for example, this one, the area 1, of course, the area big, sorry, it's equal to B squared, because it is B times B is equal to B squared, plus the small one, which is S times S, this is the area of the square, is equal to 6568 meter squared. Now, we have this one. Now, we have the given perimeter, which is equal to 356 of fence to enclose. That means, for example, from here, going this side until here, until there, the perimeter is 356. So, perimeter is equal to, for example, we start from here. B, 2B, because they are the same, plus another B, plus this one. What is this one? It will be B minus S. Itong ano na to, this one will be B minus S. The side minus this small side, it will result to this one. This is the distance. So, the perimeter, as I've said, is 2B plus B plus B minus S plus this one, how many? 3S. Plus 3S. Now, the perimeter is how much? 3, 5, 6. Is equal to 2B, of course, 3B plus B minus S plus 3S. Now, we have to simplify this one. 3, 5, 6 is equal to 4B. 3S minus S, it will be 2S plus 2S. If we will divide it by the 2, this one, it will be S plus 2B is equal to 3, 5, 6 divided by 2. How much? 3, 5, 6 divided by 2? It will 178. So this is 178. Now, this this one we can substitute it here also. If we have to let the S is equal to 178 minus 2B. We transfer this one here, it will become minus. Now, this is another equation. And this is 1. Now, we can substitute this value to here. B squared, therefore, plus how much the S? It's 178 minus 2B raised to the power 2 is equal to 6568. So, to simplify this one, of course, we have to use again the calculator. 178 squared times 178, 31,684. Okay. Of course, minus 178 times 2, 356. So 356 plus 356, 712. Plus, square root of minus will become 4b squared is equal to 6568. Now, to simplify this one, b squared plus b squared is equal to 5b squared, because b squared plus 4b squared is equal to 5b squared, minus 712p, and this one 31,684 minus, transfer this one here, 6568 at 25 116. So it's equal to 0. So this one, 4b plus b is equal to 5b squared. And this 712b, which is alone, plus this one, minus this one because transfer here. So we equate it to 0. Now, of course, how to solve this, the b side? Of course, this one, we can solve this equation by using the formula of quadratic formula, which state that minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is the formula. Now, what is this b and a and c? From this equation, you can find a is equal to 5. These are constants. B, A, and C, these are constants. That means numbers. And then B, which is equal to this one, minus 712. And C, of course, is equal to 25,116. So this one, when we assign this one, this value we can substitute to the quadratic formula. Therefore, B is equal to minus B. Minus and minus, it will be positive. Plus or minus b squared, which is equal to minus 712 squared minus 4 times A times C, which is 25,116 over 2 times the value of A, which is equal to 5, is equal to 78 meter. That means that is the side of the big lot, which is equal to 78 meter. Now, what we're looking here is the dimension of the smallest lot. That means the second one. We're looking for is, since na-solve naman natin yung B, side ng big lot, pwede na natin ito i-substitute dito sa equation na to. This one. So, S therefore is equal to 178 minus 2B. 178 minus 2 times the B, which is 78. Therefore, S is equal to 22 meter. This is the dimension of the smallest lot, which is equal to 22. And of course, the other side is 22. So, the dimension is 22 by 22 meter. 22 meter by 22 meter.
Yes, DJ.
Yan ang sagot.